Dimplex Linear Electric Fireplaces can be located almost anywhere, but the framing requirements vary. During framing, the appropriate rough frame opening and wall depth should be made for linear fireplaces. For BLF Prism, 2x4 for partial recessed or 2x8 for fully recessed. And for Ignite XL, 2x6 for fully recessed. A dedicated, properly fused 15-amp circuit is required, rated for the appropriate voltage. The unit is designed to be hardwired to a power source and should not have a cord installed to the unit to be plugged into a wall receptacle. Do not attempt to wire your own circuits. Always use a licensed electrician. For exterior walls, the installation of a built-in linear fireplace should be built out from the wall so that it does not reduce the overall R value. The build-out can be partial to resemble a traditional fireplace chase or the entire wall in order to maintain one continuous flush wall surface. The framing should be completed similar to the framing for a window, with a header, sill, cripple studs, and trimmers. You can install your linear fireplace at any height, but they have been optimized so the bottom sits at 30 inches, which puts it approximately at sitting height. The height can be adjusted for the best line of sight depending on the room. For example, a fireplace in the bedroom may need to be higher so it can be seen over the foot of the bed. You can use almost any finish material for linear electric fireplaces. BLF Prism include front glass trim that provides a clean finish on rough openings. Ignite XL includes an optional trim flange that does the same thing. Ignite XL also has the option for a trimless or clean face installation. This is typically in cases where stone, brick, or other solid surface materials are being used that form a finished edge. This allows a seamless transition from fireplace to finish, what we call more flame, less frame.